Hello and welcome to ET Manufacturing's India Vote 2026 edition. Today, I'm joined by a key representative of Italian Trade Agency to discuss and decode India's booming woodworking machinery sector and the next phase of India and Italy's partnership in trade and technology. Hi, welcome.
Thank you. So I'll just introduce myself. My name is Leorit. I am the promotional desk officer at the Talent Trade Agency based in Bangalore. So we have a desk in Bangalore. Just to tell you about a little bit about Italian Trade Agency. Italian Trade Agency having a base in Delhi, Mumbai, and in Bangalore. We support internationalization of Italian companies into the Indian market.
Right.
And be it whatever responsibility or any expectations that the Italian companies have, setting up their subsidiary or setting up distribution or a supply chain in India, and vice versa. We also have an FDI desk that supports Indian companies' expansion in the European market.
Right.
So that's in a nutshell what we do.
So my first question to you would be is India is one of the fastest growing woodworking machinery market. What are your expectations from a market like India in the upcoming years?
So, see, India is undoubtedly, one of the most dynamic markets for woodworking machinery today. From our perspective at the Italian Trade Agency, we are seeing a strong and a sustained growth we see a strong and a sustained growth over the next 5 to 7 years. If I were to talk about numbers, we have seen the export numbers in the year 2025 to be reaching around 2 billion euros, and we are hoping or expecting that it would grow to 3 billion by 2030 with a CAGR of 9%. See, this growth is driven by rapid urbanization, rising disposable income, and the expansion of organized furniture manufacturing. India's manufacturing market is evolving very very quickly, and manufacturers are increasingly moving toward automation, precision, and higher productivity. And if you see today, Italian companies are very well positioned in this transition. Italy anyway is globally recognized for high quality, technologically advanced woodworking machinery. And as Indian manufacturers are modernizing and scaling up, we expect a stronger demand for CNC systems, for the automated panel processing and edge banding solutions, and also Industry 4.0 enabled machinery. We also see a deeper industrial cooperation ahead, including local assembly, training partnerships, and technology transfer. So overall, it's a very optimistic, growth that we see ahead.
So my next question to you would be is what role does Italian Trade Agency play in helping Italian SMEs to enter in a market, in a diverse market like India?
See, Italian Trade Agency actually plays a very, very crucial sort of a bridging role in India. India is a very vast and a very diverse sort of a market, and we also have very regional differences in, say, regulation, business practices, and industrial clusters. And for any Italian, many Italian SMEs, it is not easy to navigate in a landscape like a complex country like India. This is where our role, begins. We begin with, say, we start support by giving some kind of market intelligence. We provide detailed sector studies, regulatory guidance, and also insights into demand trends. We help companies understand where the real opportunities lies and how to potentially position themselves correctly in this market. Secondly, we also facilitate direct business connections, like participating in trade fairs like India Wood. We organize B2B meetings, delegation. That we have visitors. We have networking events. So we connect these Italian SMEs with the reliable Italian Indian partners, distributors and manufacturers. We also support companies in understanding certification requirements, taxation structures, and compliance standards. So in many cases we assist them in identifying local partners to service the support that they would need in India.
Absolutely. Thank you, Leorit, for your valuable insights on the growing partnership between Italy and India in terms of woodworking machinery and the manufacturing ecosystem.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Do let us know your views in the comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.